Cherokee bean bread is a staple food that would be part of almost every meal in a Cherokee home. It's made with two of the three sisters, the staples of Cherokee agriculture, which are corn and beans. This is a recipe for bread that would be used pre-contact. It's a truly traditional food. For this modern recipe, I'm kind of marrying together the idea of Cherokee bean bread with tamale preparation because they are such a similar type of dish. We're going to be using corn husks to put these together. Traditionally, with broadswords or any kind of bean bread, you use corn leaves. But again, bringing this dish into our homes, you can't necessarily go and get corn leaves all the time. This is masa harina, and these are some brown beans that I've had simmering on the stove for a few hours. And some rendered fat, and this is going to add a little more flavor to the dough. You know, cooking is such a part of my life in every way. It's the way that you can communicate a feeling to people. It's a good thing to share with someone. Cooking traditional food specifically for me is a tie to my culture that feels more real than even dancing or singing. The way that I really feel connected to my culture is by making the food that my ancestors have made before me and sharing it with other people. As it gets to this consistency, I like to get my hands in there, make sure. The only way to know if you've got enough water in there is to get your hands in it. So I'm just grabbing kind of a fist-sized portion here for my first broadsword. And we call them broadswords because of the shape. It's kind of a flat, oval-shaped bread. I'm just gonna put it in here, and then wrap it up, and it will steam in this pot. Okay, so that's all of our little bean breads, and set this to steam for the next 45 minutes. Been on the stove for about 45 minutes. I'm just gonna check and see if they're done. And these look great. Just carefully get into one of these. And these look perfect. Cherokee bean bread or broadswords.